Here are some steps to make you more confident. 1. Set small daily goals and accomplish them. 2. Take care of your physical appearance. 3. Learn about body language. 4. Make friends that you can be like. 5. Stop attaching yourself to everyone and everything. 6. Use the okay and mentality. 7. Let go of perfectionism. 8. Be open to talking and making contacts. 9. Create another version of you until it becomes you. 10. Walk into places like you own the place. 11. Talk to yourself like you would talk to someone you love. 12. Realize this life is only short and temporary. 13. Limit your social media. 14. Stop trying to fill in and really listen to people. 15. Hold your head high and look others in the age. 16. Stop apologizing for silly things. 17. Make use of the magic words, it indicates self-respect. 18. Dress in a way that indicates you have self-worth. 19. Work on your posture. 20. Love yourself whilst on the process.